planning on making a new coffee table. However, currently we put our feet up on the current one, so I intend to make some footstools first. I've never really had a go at anything like this before, so fingers crossed it will turn out alright. It's going to have a lift up lid and be covered in leatherette, which I'm going to do without any sewing. First off, I'm going to make the MDF box. So now I've got all the pieces cut to size, I'm going to glue and screw them together. The screws are only there really to hold it while the glue dries. I want to recess the bottom so the feet will be attached just underneath the bottom. So to do that, I'm going to put some blocks in first and then put the base in. I've got this oak spindle. I'm going to cut this and use it for the feet. I'm going to attach it to the underside and glue and screw it. Now that the basic box is built, I'm going to add some wadding to the outside. This stuff is horrible to cut, you really need sharp scissors, which is why I'm struggling. Now that's done, I'm going to cover the sides and the front with a single piece of leatherette. I'm going to use strips of cardboard to staple along the top edge and then pull the leatherette and staple it to the bottom of the box. As for the bits at the side, I'm just going to staple them round the back and we'll cover that on the next step. I want to leave the last lip without leatherette. So what I'm going to do is use the same cardboard technique, but do it to the side and not to the lip. For the sides of the back, I have this upholstery strip. I'm going to staple it along the sides, the leatherette then tucks in and you hammer it over. Now onto the lid. I'm going to add 1 inch thick foam to the top, then put a coating of wadding over the top of that. When I've done that, I'm going to use the cardboard technique again, just along one edge, and the other edges are all going to be pulled and stapled onto the bottom. The underside isn't that neat, so what I'm going to do is go along with the stapler again and then cut it neat as best I can. The last step is to hinge the lid. I've got this piano hinge, I'm just going to cut it down and attach it with screws. Really pleased with how this has turned out. All I need to do now is make another one. If you've made it this far, please like and subscribe, it'd really mean a lot. In the meantime, please stay safe and follow your passion.